In the heart of a bright and bustling forest, where sunlight dances on every leaf, lived a tiny squirrel named Pip. And today, Pip wasn't feeling. Poor Pip had caught a cold. His nose twitched, his whiskers wiggled, and he tried his best not to... And with that mighty sneeze, something extraordinary happened. An ordinary acorn, poof, became a giant pumpkin. Pip stared in disbelief. He wasn't proud of it. In fact, Pip packed him unfairly embarrassed. Why can't I just sneeze like a normal squirrel? He wondered. But soon, curious little eyes peeked from every corner of the forest. Word had spread. Pip's sneezes were magic. And when Pip sneezed again, a simple leaf shimmered in the air and transformed into a dazzling butterfly. The forest animals gasped with delight. A pebble became a sparkling crystal. In a tiny wooden flute. Honeycomb grew to a feathery hat. Pip's magical sneezes filled the forest with wonder. But one afternoon, as the animals prepared a joyful picnic, a dark and grumpy rain cloud drifted in, threatening to spoil everything. Pip knew he had to try. Even though he felt nervous, he marched forward, nose twitching, heart pounding. With the biggest breath he'd ever taken, Pip let out a sneeze so powerful, so magical, it burst into a swirl of glittering light. The gloomy cloud vanished, gone in an instant. The animals cheered, laughing and hugging their hero. Thanks to Pip, their picnic and their day was saved. And from that day on, Pip learned something important. Even our annoyances, our quirks, even our flaws can turn out to be a wonderful gift, especially when we share them with others.